Alright, here's Catherine. Labor Day weekend, trying to walk with her daddy.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we gonna go? Go walk to Mama? Can you walk to Mommy? Where's Mama?
Here.
Can you reach out and grab Mama's hand? Grab Mama's hand. Whoop. I'll go the other way. Yeah, you can do it. One hand. You can do it with one hand. Good girl.
Woohoo!
Whoa. Good job. Oh, good.
Bye, Catherine.
We're tired?
No, no,
You're a little tired that way, aren't you?